If you want to know how you can make a grass robbery in Roblox like this one, where you can collect the grass and successfully rob it by pressing press me, you're going to have to watch this video all the way to the end to find out exactly how to make this. Happy April Fools! Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new tutorial on my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial we will be making a grass robbery for April Fools. What this means is that you can go up to a part with a proximity prompt, you can rob it, and then a random location for a button will be shown, and you press it, and then you will receive some grass. I thought it was really cool to just do for April Fools, and that's why I'm here. If you do like this video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell. And if you want to become a member, press the blue join button down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So first of all, we need a little bit of grass. So we're going to go to Editor of Terrain. We're going to go to Region, and we're going to select some part. You don't have to make it that big. I'm just going to make it the maximum Roblox size. So we're going to go to Fill, and I believe this is, yep, grass. Fill, as you can see, boom. And my spawn location is gone now, so let's bring it up. Boom. Alrighty, so that is that. We need a remote event in replicated storage with the name Grass Handler. We need a script in server script service, and we're gonna call it server. And then we need a folder in workspace called grass, and you want to put parts in it. But before you do, make sure the part has a proximity prompt inside of it. Make them invisible. And just set Can Collide off, and feel free to place them wherever you want. So I'm just gonna place mine a little bit close to each other. Actually, it's a little bit difficult with just parts which are invisible. Let's see, we got this group now. Let's bring that group up there. And then let's bring this group all the way over here. And then let's get our spawn location a bit more up. Let's just put it on in the air, I mean. My bad. So now you got a folder called grass. And that's all you kind of have to do. You want to go into server script. And we are going to type local players is equals to game, get service players. Then we need to define replicated storage by saying local replicated storage is equals to game, get service replicated storage. We need to make grass leader stats first, and by doing that, we have to type players, the player added, connect function player, local leader stats is equals to instance.new folder leader stats. Oh wait, I did it wrong. Leader stats name is equals to leader stats, and leader stats parent is equals to the player, because we're gonna put the leader stats in the player. Now we need the grass, so local grass is equals to instance.new number value, grass.name is equals to grass, grass.value is going to be 0, because you're gonna start with 0 grass each game. And grass.parent is equals to the leader stats. This is your player added function completely done. We are going to immediately code out the grass handler by saying replicated storage.grass handler.onServer event connect function a player, an argument, and an amount. So now if not player, then return end. We need to have some kind of player. If the argument is equals to collect grass, then player leader stats grass value will be plus equals the amount. So the amount is going to be a math.random from 1 to 10, and then that will be added onto your leader stats. One last function, and that is the loop which makes it possible to make the grass handler. So for underscore, comma v in pairs, workspace dot grass colon get children do. So everything in this grass folder, we're going to loop through. Let's so if v dot proximity prompt. So if the a part in the grass folder has a proximity prompt, then we will be let it allow to trigger. So v dot proximity prompt dot triggered colon connect function player. We're going to destroy our part. So v colon destroy, and above that we're going to type replicated storage dot grass handler colon fire client. We're going to fire it to the player, and we're going to do the argument new grass. So like you have like a new grass going to you. Now we need a little GUI. So let's make a GUI in Starter GUI. Let's call it the grass GUI, not GUI. We need a text button with the name press me. You can add in a UI corner and set the 8 to 100, so it's like really rounded off, and then make it the size of 50 by 50, so it's really small, and it's a circle. Now go to the text and set it to press me or something. Doesn't really matter as long as it's some text, which makes clear that a player needs to press that. I think that's cool enough. Set the anchor point to 0.5, comma 0.5. Set the position to 0.5, comma 0, comma 0.5, comma 0. So it's completely in the center. Make it invisible, and create a client script, a local script. And let's type local players is equals to game colon get service players local replicated storage. It's a little bit too big, to be honest. Is equals to game colon get service replicated storage. We need the player, so local player is equals to players dot local player. The press me button is going to be script dot parent dot press me. And then we need 4 locations, and we're going to vary through them. So this button will be the first time over here, then it will be right at the bottom right, then it will be at the top right, and then at the bottom left. And we're just going to make that a randomizer. So local location 1 is equals to udem2.new 0.2, comma 0, comma 0.2, comma 0. You just need to follow the numbers I type over here. Local location 2 is equals to udem2.new 0.2, comma 0, comma 0.8, comma 0. And now you want to do the same for location 3 and 4, but switch them around. So local location 3 is equals to udem2.new 0.8, comma 0, comma 0.2, comma 0. As you can see, we switched 2 and 3 around. And then location 4 is going to be the same as this one, but except we'll change to 2, 2, and 8. So local location 4 is equals to udem2.new 0.8, comma 0, comma 0.8, comma 0. And this will vary between bottom left, bottom right, and top left and top right. So now replicated storage dot grass handler dot on client event colon connect function of an argument, because we have an argument in the new grass, if argument is equals to new grass, then, and before we do that, add a line over here which says if not argument, then return end. So now we need to randomize it. So local random number is equals to math.random 1 out of 4, because we have 4 locations. If random number is equals to 1, then press me dot position is equals to location 1. Now do this for all of them. So else if random number is equals to 2, then the press me dot position will be also to 2. Else if random number is equals to 3, then press me dot position is equals to location 3. And the last one, if it's equals to 4, then press me dot position will also be on 4. And then after we set the position of all of them, we will make it visible. So press me dot visible is equals to true. Now the last one, if you press the press me button, press me dot mouse button one click, connect function, and then once you immediately press it, it will immediately turn invisible. And then the position will be automatically reset back to its anchor point. So unit2.new 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0. And then all we have to do is fire the remote event back to the server. So replicated storage, that grass handler, fire server, collect grass, and math.random 1 out of 10. And this is the amount I was talking about. As you can see over here, plus equals amount. This will be between 1 and 10 every random time. You are done now with your script, and all you can do now is test it out. So let's do that right now. Let's see where the parts are, because I really forgot where they were. For some reason, all of the parts were gone. We didn't anchor them, my bad. You have to anchor all of the parts. Quick issue with the game, because we set King Light off. As you can see, let's go to this part. Where is it? There. Oh, as you can see, press E to interact, and let's press E. We have to press me. As you can see, it went to the bottom left this time, so if we click press me, as you can see, we got 6 grass from that. Let's go to this one, boom, and now it's at the top right. Press me, we got 1 grass. This one, we got 10 grass. Oh, over here. Where are all of them? Oh, I went in the complete wrong direction. As you can see, it randomizes. Oh, it is. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it really works. So if you did in fact enjoy this April Fool's video, make sure to leave a like if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want to become a member, press the blue join button down below. All I can say is that my name is Newbie, and I say peace out.